I think firstly, the number of entries that we've seen is just overwhelming. Um, it just shows that experiential marketing is just growing in a big way in the country. In terms of quality, quite a few categories had very good quality, but I think there were so many categories that people were getting confused on which to enter what in. So some of the entries have actually lost out because they've entered in the wrong category and they've not really gone through the criterion for the category. Uh, it opens your mind to the immense number of possibilities that you can create with experiential marketing across categories, across stakeholders, across audiences, and it just shows whether it's amplification, whether it's just a diversity of ideas. You can build brands purely based on experience versus looking at conventional ways of building brands. A couple of things. One is, of course, the results need to be very, very clearly articulated. A lot of times, uh, you get lost in how interestingly the event was done, but unless you know how that really either modify a behavior or create any kind of measurable results, is what changes your view on how good the entry was. The second is quite a few of the entries were just too long, and it's the shorter you are, the more clearer you are on what is the entry about, why do you really believe you should win. And I think if we can get that format right, where it's about why should I win and a very clear reason, it's easy for the juror to either side with you, or know more and take a call. I think it's a fantastic initiative because with the number of entries that you guys are getting, it's very encouraging for everyone. It also just a look at entries and just a look at uh, who's winning can encourage a lot of new ideas. It also encourages your entire fraternity to think bigger. Typically, you notice that if one new technology or one new idea has done well in one event, it continues and people tend to copy. With awards like these, people can hopefully, it can inspire more creativity, it can inspire new thinking and new experiences.